how to buy Amazon token. So this token came under the symbol of AMZN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the TheRichTech account and keep following the updates about the token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago, has increased by 334% in the last 24 hours and increased in the last 5 minutes by 22%. So the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's many investment in the same place. This token is trending number 4 on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Open your Bitcoin wallet or any wallet that you use. Now after that, select the Solana as a network. Click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called AMZN. So this is our token. Click on it. Click on swap here. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. Make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. And after that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now or swap and you'll be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Amazon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.